Entrepreneurs, there are a few things that I need you to understand when it comes to your taxes and your business. Number one, you need your business separate from your personal. You need your business to be treated like a check, like you would if you were receiving a paycheck. And that begins with your structure. I'm going to put the video in my comments so that you guys can see the 7 degrees. I've talked about it. Many of you will not go over to YouTube, but I need you to follow that because every year you guys are doing and making some mistakes that is going to come back and bite you in the butt. So number one, your business needs to be separate. I don't care what they tell you, you need an EIN. And let me say this, stop going to LegalZoom getting the EIN because an EIN is free. LegalZoom will bundle it in services that they do for your LLC, but LegalZoom does not take care of everything they need to. I have had 5 clients that I have had to help get a DBA. You need the DBA because you need to be able to open a business bank account. You need the business bank account so that you can be eligible for working capital. You need working capital because I don't care what kind of business you're out here doing. Whether you are attending a pop-up, whether you are trying to build a brick and mortar, which I highly do not recommend until you have a flooring and a place for the brick and mortar. I would not do it until you have the clientele that you can back it. It is so much simpler to be able to manage and minimize your overhead and grow into the business depending on what it is that you're offering. And those things all come with a good business coach, a good business strategist, a bookkeeper, because you need to look at your numbers. You need to be able to forecast when you're going to make the most money, when you're going to make the least amount of money, when your business is profitable. You need to be able to track your expenses and your advertising and see where you're getting the most hits so you know where to put the most time. You need to make sure that you run your business like a business. And if you are doing things and you don't have your EIN and you don't have a DBA and you have the LLC, you don't have all the pieces. And I have had to help so many people because LegalZoom did not give them all the pieces. LegalZoom is doing exactly what you pay them to do, and you may not know all the things you need. The other thing when it comes to it, many of you are sacrificing. Stop sacrificing. You can have both. You can write off the things you need to write off in your business and still show money on your personal tax return so that you can qualify to buy that house. We are moving into a season where it's the buyer's market. But if you don't have everything set up, if you don't have everything accurate, you will miss that season. I'm telling you, these are some tips, entrepreneurs, that you cannot afford to miss. It's been your girl, the Queen Bee. Make sure you watch, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Call me so we can get your business right and make sure everything stays tight.